In 1932, Australia faced an unusual crisis, a massive emu invasion. After World War I, many soldiers were given land in Western Australia to farm. However, these veterans quickly found themselves battling an unexpected foe, the emus. These large, flightless birds descended upon the farmlands in droves, destroying crops and creating chaos. Farmers pleaded for help, and the government responded with military intervention, deploying soldiers armed with machine guns. What followed was a bizarre conflict known as the Great Emu War. The soldiers quickly discovered that emus were more agile and elusive than anticipated. They would scatter in all directions, making them difficult targets. Despite several attempts, the military struggled to control the emu population. Over the course of a few weeks, only around 20,000 emus were killed out of an estimated 200,000. Frustrated by their failure, the soldiers withdrew, and the emus triumphed. The Great Emu War remains a fascinating example of how nature can outsmart human efforts, and it serves as a quirky chapter in Australian history, showcasing the absurdity of the conflict between humanity and wildlife.